Ako na lang lagi mong kasama.
Ha?
Two amigos.
Amigos. 3 amigos. Okay na. Next week, ako naman. Para hindi migaw si Kuya Iting.
Ano mo paring sige? Ako naman, okay lang mo naman ito.
Ako din, okay lang.
Ay, sabi ko, okay, kasi all of us will be nominated.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
siyempre, I don't want. I do my best din ko to become HOH, to immune. Yes, siyempre. Pero kung nominate and go home, tanggal, ibig, masaya. Siyempre, cry kasi love ko kayo. Cry. Okay, yun. So that's normal. Masaya ko. Wala akong galit kang kanino man. O, ano. Masaya ako sa mga taong nagmahal sa akin, sumuporta sa akin, na nandito ako. Sa mga taong, yun, walang kumpay na nag-ano sa akin. Yan, parang ko eh. So, kaya, yun, masaya. Pray kay Lord.
Pray Lord.
Salamat sa mga tao.
Yeah. Salamat sa
Huwag
tayo.
makalimot sa Diyos. Tao.
Yeah.
Taong mga nag-ano sa'yo, hindi nandito. So yun,
Yeah.
huwag magyabang.
Right?
Don't be mayabang ha.
Yeah. You too. Don't be mayabang. Yeah.
Ako din. Ayoko din maging mayabang. Minsan nagiging...
Ako din. Minsan, mayabang. Pagit.
Funny. Funny person. Like anything. Ano, parang si Chibi, talk ka. So, talk tayo dalawa kahit communication. Pag di mo naintindihan, say to me na, Miguel, I don't understand you. So,
Para. Pako, translate. Para understand. Kasi, yeah, di ba, Tony told me that you have a language barrier. And it's hard to communicate with a housemate. And people also hard to understanding you, yeah. It's kind of wrong that it's my fault that I can speak English not so well.
no, parang si Chi, you try your best.
Yeah, I try to best here. And
Me, I came here. One English I cannot speak, but now, I can talk to you. We understand each other. I'm proud to myself. Na teach you, Pati Joya, how to speak English now. I apply to you. No, communicate. Diba? You understand me naman, di ba? Okay yung English ko, di ba? So, stay here, the more you learning. So, all the day, pass here, full of learning. It's like a school of learning.
yeah,
Itong house na to. We thankful, Kuya,
no,
because we pick
yeah,
as housemate.
yeah,
Because nakita na ni Kuya sa akin na may ano tayo, yung nakita ni Kuya sa atin yung may isang palit pa gano'n. Basta yun. Hirap i-translate po. Po kaya?
Ayusin mo yung lapel mo, pagka-clip ng lapel mo.
Opo.
Tama.
Sorry po, Kuya. Yun, parang si Chi.
huh? Enjoy. And now I don't want to think about nomination, fiction.
Yes. Tomorrow, di ba?
Another day. Yeah,
And what is tomorrow? It's another nomination.
nomination. Yeah,
Okay?
but don't think about it. Basta all people lahat I think nominated already, right?
Ako pa rin si Chi. Me?
Ako.
Kahit sa akin, nomination night. Nomination. But, all the people here I love. Basta, bawal.
Even if nominated, but this is a game program, diba? For me,
This
Yeah.
program. Learning,
yeah,
this is not the game. May game. May
Yeah.
time the game. You know, reality. Your reality. May reality. Who I am.
Yeah.
Ako mag-English yun. You, who you are.
yeah,
May I think. Wala pa. personality.
Yeah.
Yun. Basta don't change it.
Yeah, don't change.
I know, minsan nagiging change din ako.
No, ako din, change lang.
So, I want to balance myself. Another balance na naman. So, loko-loko. Loko-loko din.
Kasi migang ako. Si Kuwaiting. Kasi I'm very close with Kuwaiting.
Siyempre,
Tabi
tayo tatlo.
Tatlo, di ba?
Tatlo. Dalawa na lang tayo.
Miss na ako. Kuwaiting dito. Kasi, when Tony told me that Kuwaiting is labas, the time I feel sorry to Kuwaiting. Kasi Kuwaiting sobrang masipag. Diba? And sobrang masaya. Diba? Pero, very nice person. Pero ako, minsan, lazy. Sometimes, minsan, I'm changed. Yeah, minsan, I'm mayabang. Yeah, it's my wrong. Kasi Kuya Iting is,
Simple guy.
simple guy.
Puro pangarap.
Yeah.
Full of dream.
So, I feel sorry.
No, don't feel sorry. Don't feel guilty na nangyari yun, Siki.
But, yeah,
Me,
yeah.
you will be nominated. Now, nominated, di ba? So, wala tayong kasalanan.
Yeah.
Walang may fault sa atin. Manominate ka, ako, waiting. All the people outside can decide who
Yeah.
will stay here.
Yeah.
Karapat dapat. Ano yung isang karapat dapat? Basta, who will stay here? Yun.
Many people likes you.
Ha?
Many people likes you.
You.
No.
Me,
Maybe likes
I want to thank super very much.
Yeah, me ako din.
Super. Grabe.
I really appreciate with
First time na nominate ko.
Ako din, first time na ako. Since later. First time.
Hindi, second time.
Second time? Waiting. First time.
First time. First time man.
Akala ko, before I thought nominated person is only me. Yeah. Di ba? I think, secret, di ba?
Bawal. Huwag mo sabihin.
Kasi,
Basta siya na yun.
Siya. I thought only me, I nominated. Yeah. And then, later, bigger, eating, I can believe, yeah.
Me too. Sabi ni Kuya na, the nominated,
Yeah.
come
Apat,
to
diba?
confession room. So, I'm the person. So, I see you. You? Kuya Ting! What is
Ako
later?
din.
What is later?
Later? Yeah.
Oh my God.
But, yeah. This is a game. This is a wrong yeah.
No.
Para,
Basta, tanggapin na lang natin kung
Masaya
ano
tayo.
mangyayari. Masaya tayo,
yeah.
sige.
For Kuya Eating. Yeah.
Siyempre, ganito, parang si Ichi, 10 tayo, 10 person. So, maybe, next week, 9. Kasi one will be leaving ulit. So, yan, 9. Hanggang sa, sunod na week, 8,
Yeah.
7, ganyan. So, yun. Don't know what will be happen.
Yeah, what will happen?
Or we stay here.
Yeah.
So, just pray to God. Go lang ng go. Wala na, gano'n. Taong-bayan na lang, taong-bayan na.
Enjoy.
Enjoy.
Enjoy. And, yeah. Always masaya. And, don't be mayabang. Ako din. Mayabang na.
Hindi, para si Chidi ka naman. Nakakatuwa ka pa ni person.
Kasi, walang Kuya Eating. Para,
Kagaya na
dalawa.
sabi ko sa iyo,
Basta.
wag kang, yung, natawa sa housemate mo. Meaning to say, kahit stress kami dito, natuwa kami sa'yo kasi kahit pa paano,
yeah.
na gan yung aming stress.
Yeah.
Siyempre, more work, Valentine, ganyan. No more tulog, ganyan. Siyempre, di ba? So, napatawa mo kami yun sa bread. Ganyan. Huwag kang mahiya. Huwag yun to be, pag yung nangyari yun, huwag ka na yung, don't be speak. Full day, wala kang speak.
Yeah.
So, you speak. Just not, it's okay. It's normal. Bread. Mini bread din. Minsan kain ko mini bread. Amin kita ni Kuya yan. O 2 times yun. Now, 2 times saging, banana. Takaw din ako. Oo. Natawa lang ako kasi tinagumsok ko eh. So sabi mo, nakihubog pa. Yun. Pero that not mean na yung tawa namin sa iyo, na hindi yun ang meaning pa rin si Chi, na na-down ka namin. Oo. Natatawa kami sa iyo kasi kahit paano, namin mo kami. Masaya ako.
Masaya.
Alam mo, kanina doon sa loob, hindi ako nagano na kung sino mo sa inyong dalawa. Kasi pareho rin ko kayo mahal na eh. Kuya Iting, mahal ko din. Ikaw din. Mahabang din pinagsama natin one week. Doon. And then dito. And then punta dito. Pagpunta namin dito, ikaw. Ate Jazz. You too. So, banding-banding again, ganyan. You give me a nice praise. So, diba? Don't forget that. And then the jacket. So, diba?
Kasi,
I love you.
kasi dito lang. I love you, yeah. Kasi, yeah. Kasi ako, I can't speak not so well. That's why, like, the things, and it's like, express my feelings, yeah. Before I give to the illustrator, not only you, all people, I give to the things, always. Yeah. So, basta.
I see naman na yung effort mo to want to communicate us, diba? I know naman yung effort mo. Me too. I'm hard to speak in English, understand English, but I try so much to communicate you, diba? Paring Carlo, all.
Yeah.
Diba? Paring Kevin, no?
Yeah.
So, I want to talk to, because I'm friendly guy. I want to,
Yeah, very friendly.
all friend.
Yeah.
Ang denomination,
Yeah.
Sa labas, that's not true.
Yeah.
Wala akong masasabi sa inyo. Basta,
Yeah.
huwag na yung mga basta, that's not normal. Basta yung pakikisama ko sa inyo dito, kung sa labas, may marami nakakilala sa akin, kung saan ako lumaki, up, lang, tangkad. May mga kilala sa akin.
Yeah.
Kung who I am dito,
Yeah.
ako din, doon sa labas, ganito. Bait, labing-labing, yakap-yakap. Sa lalaki, sa babae. Yun, yakap-yakap. Ako, boy, hug. Basta I want friend.
Friend, yeah.
Eh, brother, sister, all. Special, lahat. Diba? Ayaw, nasaktan na, hurt lang ako pag sa nomination. Grabe, parang si Chi. Masakit para sa akin.
Sakit, okay din. Yeah, me too. So sakit. Kasi, it's my first time to nomination. And akala ko, yeah, labas ako. Yeah. Kasi, but, yeah. Actually, the reality is, Kuya Iting is living in this house. Yeah. So, I'm happy. I can stay here, and now I can communicate with you. I'm so happy. But now, we cannot expect what will happen.
Yes, correct.
Because, yeah, I can't believe that you, Slater, Iting nominated. Oh, Slater, Bigger, Iting? I can't believe you. And I think all people is like first time, diba? I think Slater is nominated before, but it's not the nomination from housemate, right? It's like a automatic nomination, diba? Yeah. So, or for person is, it's like a first time nominated, yeah. So, yeah, I'm tense, but, yeah. Relax and accept the reality. And don't be hard-headed, yeah. Just relax. And always kind, masaya, mabait, yeah.